Hi guys, waiting for people to join in. Hi Avni. Come on people, fast, come on. Waiting for few more people to join in, and I'll be calling Prisha online, and let's talk about mental health today. Hello Krunal. Hi Vishal. We're going live for the first time, and today we are going live with Prisha, and she's going to talk about how do you keep your mental health during this lockdown phase. So let me just call her over. Uh, Maybe some network issues, I guess. Let's give in for 2 minutes. Let's see if more people join in. Meanwhile, I'll just try to connect to her. Can you guys see me clearly? Yes. Hi, Prisha. Hi,
Hello,
Prisha.
hi. Hi, am I
How are you
audible?
doing? Yes.
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good.
Hello, everyone. So, Forum, you're finally doing this?
Yes. Been a lot of planning, but I'm doing it.
Oh, yes. I'm super
So,
excited.
yeah, me too.
Let's wait for a minute before everybody logs in.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
How are days going in the lock time?
I'm actually
Very,
happy if
very.
somebody sends my maid over, then I'll be the happiest. I just don't like the maid ka kaam wala part. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the lockdown right now.
How are your kids doing?
I don't know. We're
Very
just pulling
difficult to
through. I
manage
mean,
them.
no, honestly, I allow them a lot of TV and all, so
Oh,
not that difficult. But they keep spilling a lot, so I'm with the pocha all day long.
mom's
Always
life.
and always doing
I
pocha.
can
Yeah,
understand.
mom's life.
I have a 3-year-old. I do the same the whole day.
Oh. One of my sons is very fond of spilling and spoiling things. So if he'll eat food, he'll spill that. If he'll drink water, he'll spill the rest of the bottle. पानी भरने जाएगा, नल खुला छोड़ देगा, आधा टैंकर खाली. So it's just
Very
impossible.
painful.
Oh, yes, very painful. Are my glasses reflecting? Should I take them off?
Uh, Anything you're comfortable with.
Okay.
I have to
I'll
learn how
keep
to put this liner now. You
this
look
one.
so pretty. Yeah.
Thank you. I will teach it to you. Okay, thank you. I thought I'll just
Next
check.
time when we
Let me
next
write.
time when we meet at Starbucks again.
Ha ha ha. Yes, absolutely. I'll do a separate video for you. So I think we have enough
Sure.
people and let's join. Hello
Yeah,
everybody.
sure.
Thank you so much for joining in. It's beautiful. Hi Ganu. I don't know if Ganu is a boy or a girl. Okay, great.
He's a
So I
baby.
think Furam, let's start.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Chirag.
Hi.
Thank you so much. Thank you for saying hello. Say hello to your mom. Okay, now I'm actually feeling embarrassed that somebody I know is already online. Okay, so great. So
It's
let's
okay.
carry on. Yes.
So let me ask you a few questions first. Tell me, how did you started blogging and how did you started, writing more and more about positive things and about humor and making people laugh? Like what inspired you to do that?
Um, Before I got pregnant, I was working a full-time job. The day
Okay.
that I got to know about my pregnancy is the same day that I had to go to bed rest and I had to quit my job. So I practically quit my job without any service or notice period and over a phone call.
Oh,
So I was home for a very long time and my kids were about 18 months or 2 years old when one of my friends told me that she's doing content writing from home. So I told her, wow, that sounds really good because at that point in time, all I was doing was taking care of the kids. And
mm-hmm.
I'm sure all of the moms over here have been through that phase where you do not want to sit at home, not because you want to make money, but because you want to do something which is not parenting related.
Correct,
So I started
correct.
content writing from there. That's a breakthrough. So I found out many opportunities and gradually I started doing lots and lots of content writing from home. Um, Eventually I explored many genres of writing, which included media marketing and parenting, humor, like everything. So I landed on this website where it was a mom community, Baby Chakra, I'm sure everybody knows. So I started
I
writing for them.
connected with you. If you remember, we had connected over
Yes,
Baby Chakra a
on
long
Baby
time
Chakra,
back when I
yes.
was pregnant.
Yes. Yes, I was quite active, very, very active on Baby Chakra. And I have a lot of published articles, I think around 70, 80, one of the most published authors on Baby Chakra. So
Oh,
I was writing there, and a lot of people told me that you have a very unusual knack for humor. And I was like, I mean, I didn't believe it. I thought, like, sab koi karte honge, humor, it doesn't matter. So, but yes, that is how gradually I got to know about blogging. Then there was a friend who was already into blogging and she guided me through initially quite a lot. Then there was a little help from here and there, and gradually I built my website and kept working. Then blah blah blah. That's how it is.
good, good,
It's
good,
been
good.
3 years that I've been in the system now.
You must have learned a lot. We should take a separate live for this
Quite a lot.
topic also.
Yes, I've learned quite a lot emotionally, blogging wise, everything wise. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, what are your tips for today for the lockdown period for the mental health that people are facing? There's a lot of anxiety, nervousness, negativity, rumors, and whatnot.
Yeah, so I think uh, people really need to filter what they are seeing. हम जो है सारा time, because some of us have free time, we are watching the news, we are watching Instagram, we are watching WhatsApp, we are watching just about everything that's coming our way, and pretty much everything is about coronavirus. और इतने लोग क्वारंटीन हो गए, इतने लोग को अफेक्ट किया, ये वो. So this is what creates panic inside you. And about how to deal with that anxiety and panic, that we are going to discuss in a little while when I talk about the 5-step strategy of managing your anxiety. So yeah, people need to limit the amount of information that they're consuming online. इतना information की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. Calm down.
Correct.
थोड़ा पढ़ो, एक या दो बार, या बहुत हो गया तो 3 बार आप ऑनलाइन चले जाओ and try to figure out what's going on in the world. Otherwise, I don't think you really need to pay so much of attention to whatever is being passed on to you.
Right. So, how do you want people to keep calm in this situation and, divert their mind or do something that helps in their mental health?
Yes. So mental health, we think हमारे brain से related है सिर्फ. Hello Divya. So no, she's my baby sister though. So uh, yeah, so I was talking that we think कि हमारी mental health सिर्फ हमारे दिमाग से related है, लेकिन हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा mind और हमारी body दोनों connected हैं. आपके जो 5 senses हैं, eyes, nose, taste, ears and skin, all of these play a very important role in all kinds of health. आपका जो infection है वो यहीं से जाता है, तो आपका जो mental health है वो भी आपके senses के through बहुत affect होता है. So what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you eat, taste, and how much of skin to skin do you get in a day is what affects your entire mental health. I'll elaborate on that. When something like a corona pandemic is happening, we are looking and seeing at all the wrong things in the first place. कोई rant कर रहा है Instagram पे, कोई you see that other people are doing so much, मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं तो बहुत मुश्किल से I get by my day, so it becomes difficult. So these are some things that you should not be seeing. Follow accounts that are talking about positive things. Follow accounts that are talking about humor. Follow accounts that are not talking so much about COVID-19 and the problems that are coming with it. Some people are cooking, some people are making masterpieces, some people are just getting by. So take it easy. One of the memes that is very popular is that after the COVID-19 ends, I'm going to come out fat from the lockdown. So what? आप
So we
कैसे
are there
fat
to
हो
help
गए?
you all.
हाँ, forum is there to help you all. But anyway, अगर आप इतना गलत नहीं खाओगे, if you know how to control what you eat and the
Correct.
kind of food you eat, then you will not be worried about getting fat. और अगर आपको फैट का इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो आप जितना टाइम खाने में बिता रहे हो, उतना टाइम आप एक्सरसाइज में बिताओ.
Correct, correct.
You are under control, but you want to let go and you're not allowing yourself to let go. आप चाहते हो कि आप ये ब्रेक लो, आप फाइनली वो एक पेस्ट्री खाओ, वो एक केक बनाओ जो आप सालों से बनाना चाहते थे, वक्त नहीं मिलता था, आप एक वीडियो बनाना चाहते थे जिसका वक्त नहीं मिल रहा था, उसका वक्त अब आपको मिला है, उस वक्त को इस्तेमाल करिए.
Correct.
अगर आपका माइंड भी बिजी रहेगा तो यू विल फील अ लॉट बेटर. और जितने लोग सोचते हैं ना कि हम फ्री बैठे तो हम खा रहे हैं, वेल आप पतले वैसे भी नहीं हो पाओगे क्योंकि ये बिहेवियर ही गलत है. इसीलिए नहीं कि आपको कोई डाइट पे डालता है पतले होते हो, जब आप ओवर ईट करना बंद करते हो तब आप पतले होते हो. आई मीन अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दी अदर एस्पेक्ट्स दैट योर हार्मोनल balance and all that is correct, but overeating as a habit will never let you be slim anyway. So if you have the habit of overeating, आप वैसे भी पतले नहीं हो. The point is कि आप ये सब memes देख के सुन के you are feeding the wrong information to your brain through your senses. I'm going to get fat. I'm going to get fat. I'm going to get fat. Everybody's doing so much. I'm not doing anything. So many people are dying. So many people are quarantined. So you limit the amount of information that your eyes and your ears are taking. Listen to bhajans, listen to songs, put on your headphones and jive a little bit. It's okay. Nobody's seeing you. Have a little good time for yourself, क्योंकि अब अगर आप me time नहीं निकाल रहे हो तो न जाने कब निकालोगे. So feed
Exactly.
beautiful information, nice information to your eyes. अरे जितने लोग को wing eyeliner नहीं आता, टाइम निकालो wing eyeliner try करो यार. वैसे हम
मैं तो
सोचते हैं ना हमारे
करने
पास
वाली
टाइम नहीं है,
हूँ.
आपको करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे पास पॉजिटिव चीजें हमारे आसपास हैं लेकिन हम उनको यूज नहीं करना चाहते या यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या हमें लगता है बहुत मेहनत लगती है. इस समय आपको अपनी पूरी एनर्जी उन एफर्ट्स में फोकस करनी चाहिए, instead of feeding yourself all the information that others are capable and I am not. Others are sick and I will get sick anytime. No. If you are washing your hands regularly, if you're keeping your house clean, if you're maintaining social distancing, there's barely a chance that you can get coronavirus. So
Correct,
stop
correct.
panicking yourself. The next is food, the tongue, the taste. जो हम खाते हैं उससे हमारे बॉडी और माइंड दोनों पर बहुत असर होता है. If you're eating a lot of junk, a lot of carbohydrates, which means sweets and fried, then it tends to cause a slowdown in your brain processes. It tends to affect how quick you think or how positive you think. Because depression या panic सिर्फ आपके सोच से नहीं होता है, वो आपके हार्मोन से, आपके न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स से भी होता है. तो अगर आपके न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स को प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिल रहा है तो आपका दिमाग वैसे भी काम नहीं करेगा. So whatever you're eating, if you're eating junk, if you're eating food which is heavy in carbohydrates, then you're going to suffer. Your mind is going to feel bad. It's going to feel low. Again, things like smoking and drinking, people have gone nuts. And chai. Everybody is drinking so much of chai, so much of caffeine, so
Sugar,
much of
they
alcohol.
forget sugar intake that they are taking in all the time.
Sugar is addiction. Sugar is addictive. Alcohol is addictive. It Alcohol is one of the greatest contributors in heightening and exaggerating your depression and its symptoms. So if you are somebody who feels low, अल्कोहल पीना सिर्फ बॉलीवुड लोगों के लिए अच्छा है जो टीवी में दिखता है कि वो सैड है और वो दारू पी रहे हैं और वो सेट हो जाते हैं. ये रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता है. आपका डिप्रेशन वर्स होता है. सो अगर आप अपसेट फील कर रहे हो, पैनिक्ड फील कर रहे हो, अल्कोहल को तो टच भी मत करो, सोचो भी मत उसके बारे में. तीसरी चीज है चाय या कॉफी. लोग 7-7 8-8 चाय पी रहे हैं. एक चाय में जितनी कैफीन होती है, एक कप चाय में, कॉफी में उससे 4 गुना कैफीन होती है. तो अगर आप 12 कप चाय पीते हैं तो आप सिर्फ 3 कप कॉफी पी सकते हैं टू मेक इट इक्वल. लेकिन घर में बैठे बैठे आप बोर हो रहे हो तो आप चाय पी रहे हो. क्यों क्यों आप अपने दिमाग को एक ऐसी लत डाल रहे हो जिसकी आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है. हम सबको लगता है कि अरे चाय तो हम टाइम पास के लिए पीते हैं, मुझे आदत नहीं है, मैं तो जब चाहूँ छोड़
Actually,
सकता हूँ. लेकिन जिस दिन
actually,
छोड़ने जाओगे ना
people
उस दिन आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको आदत पड़ चुकी है. माइग्रेन्स होना,
actually.
पैनिक अटैक्स होना, इतनी सारी कैफीन आपको एंजाइटी भी देती है. अगर आपको एंजाइटी या पैनिक फीलिंग है, उसमें आप चाय और कॉफी पीते रहते हैं तो हाई चांसेस
It
है कि आपकी
aggravates.
घबराहट इंक्रीज होती रहेगी. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको डायरिया हो जाए क्योंकि आपका बॉडी ट्राई कर रहा है मैनेज करने के लिए कि आपकी एंजाइटी को कैसे कम कर सकते हो. तो ये सारी जो खाने पीने की चीजें हैं ये आपको रिड्यूस करनी चाहिए. ये आपकी इम्यूनिटी भी बर्बाद करती है, ये आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ बहुत बुरे तरीके से बर्बाद करते हैं. Smokers, people who smoke, um, coronavirus is mainly a disease which collapses your lungs. So अगर आपके lungs पहले से ही कमजोर हैं, उस पे आप smoke करते हो, so there are high chances that if somebody who is a smoker catches a coronavirus, recovery is difficult. So maintain good health. आजकल ताजी हवा बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, कहीं वॉक पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं, बस बैल्कनी में जाओ, you will feel so much better. चाय पीना अच्छी मतलब ओके बात है क्योंकि हम में से बहुत लोगों को
Let me
आदत है.
add, let me
लेकिन
add on this.
हम्म
चाय या कॉफी एक ऐसा एडिक्शन है एंड पीपल हु
हम्म
ड्रास्टिकली अगर 2 या 3 कप से ज्यादा पीते हैं और 0 कप पे आ जाए तो इट अफेक्ट्स देम अ लॉट. सो रादर
बिकॉज इट
देन
इज
गोइंग
एडिक्शन.
फ्रॉम yes, rather than going from 7 to 8 cups a day, you shut down and come down to 1 cup a day or 2 cup a day. That should be a medium sized cup and limit
दैट्स
the
वन.
sugar that you put in.
हाँ.
The main issue is and the people are not they're not sure it is thirst, it is hunger, or it is boredom. Nowadays people are having it because of boredom. कुछ नहीं है चाय
बिकॉज
पी
ऑफ
लो,
बोर्डम.
कुछ नहीं है पानी
अगर
पानी
आपके
पियो
पास
ना
करने के
यार.
लिए अगर आपके पास करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, आप नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल करो, प्राइम वीडियो एंड चिल करो, हॉटस्टार एंड चिल करो, वॉच सीरीज, वॉच यूट्यूब, वॉच सो मेनी थिंग्स. अरे हमारा कंटेंट आके देख लो, हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं कंटेंट के पीछे, हमारे पास आके कमेंट करो. हमारी मेहनत सफल करो. डू समथिंग
करेक्ट
मोर
करेक्ट.
पॉजिटिव देन ईटिंग एंड फीडिंग योरसेल्फ ऑल द रॉन्ग थिंग्स. यू डोंट नीड इट. और जब तक आप अपनी ये आदत कंट्रोल नहीं करोगे तब तक आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ में इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आएगा. सो मेंटल हेल्थ भी इस वक्त आपके हाथ में है. अगेन with with the sense of smell, a lot of fragrances are known to give happy feelings. Fragrances can drastically affect your mood and how you've been feeling throughout. So अगर आपके घर में कोई डिफ्यूजर है या फूल है तो उनका इस्तेमाल करिए. आप घर बैठे बैठे भी अपनी पसंदीदा परफ्यूम लगा सकते हैं. इट एनहांसेस योर मूड. कीप योर हाउस क्लीन. अच्छी फिनाइल इस्तेमाल करिए जिसकी खुशबू आपको अच्छी लगती हो. इवन इफ इट टेक्स लाइक 10, 20, 30 रुपीज ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट, इस्तेमाल करिए ऐसी खुशबुएं जो आपको अच्छी लगती हो. अब हाउस दैट स्टिंक्स, पीपल हु स्टिंक, इट इज बाउंड टू पुल यू डाउन. Next and the last sense organ is the skin of feeling. हम हमेशा बात करते हैं एज पेरेंट्स कि हमारे बच्चे को स्किन टू स्किन मिलना चाहिए. एनी पार्ट ऑफ योर स्किन touching with another person's skin. It can be face to face, it can be a hug, it can be hand holding, it can be cuddling, it can be about anything. आपको अपने you need to get appropriate skin to skin at least 8 to 9 times of a skin contact with anybody in the house. It can be your spouse, it can be your parents, it can be your children. Hug them, sit with them, hold hands, talk, just lie down and do nothing. But you need skin to skin because these physical closeness to your family to your body is known to have amazing healing properties. It releases hormones like oxytocin, which produce happy feelings in your body. So it is very important that when you get skin to skin, you get a feeling of happiness and your body tends to calm down. For couples who are married, if you can engage in personal relationships, so sex can also have a very good effect in calming down and relieving you of anxiety. Another thing is that skin, your body, your mind, everything also needs a little bit of sunlight. A lot of
Very
us have free
important.
time. Yes, हम सनलाइट को बहुत हल्के में लेते हैं कि अरे धूप है
Sorry.
अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, लेकिन आप माइल्ड धूप में बैठिए या आप like you see in my room right now, let me see if I can flip the camera. There's decent sunlight coming in, okay? So even if I am not sitting in sunlight, my room has natural light. So you need to sit in a room which has enough natural light where if you can sit in the sun, nothing like it, go spend some time in your balcony because these natural, the air, the water, the air, the sun, all of this has a very, very, very positive effect on your mind. So whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, whenever you're feeling that I'm not feeling that nice, call somebody, talk to them, listen to good things, see something nice, light a candle or something, the aroma of which you like, cook something you like to eat, hug somebody, just sit with them, talk with them, talk about the cartoons they are watching and tell them to narrate the the cartoons, the stories that they're seeing. Ask them what dreams they see. So just talk, just talk. Find better ways to engage yourself, to engage your senses. That is how your body and mind is going to feel a lot better. The anxiety has to go down. And yes, of course, one of the points that I've stated earlier in this chat, and I'll reiterate, please limit the amount of news that you're consuming online. आप पूरे दिन में एक या दो बार चेक कर लीजिए कि
Correct.
क्या स्टेटस चल रहा है कोरोना का, कहाँ पे क्या हुआ, but don't keep checking. Please unsubscribe to all the news apps that you have subscribed to. You do not need every minute updates. Follow accounts that show happy things, follow accounts that talk about good things, follow channels that give you maybe movie reviews, that maybe talk about some hobby, look how people are doing their makeup. There are tons of things that you can explore. So you need to identify what you like and spend your time accordingly. Yes, I'm done.
And anything for a middle-aged woman, like, who has been too busy with the household, and whenever she gets
Mhm.
time, she is exposed to news, or she's exposed to the rumors that is going on, or she's been over concerned for the child, for the family, for people coming and telling कि ये तो इतना हो गया, इतना काउंट्स बढ़ गया, अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे हमारे एरिया में इतने लोगों को हो गया है, तो वो जो एंजाइटी उनको होती है, एंड दे आर नॉट, दैट इज नॉट इजी कि हमारा माइंड हम डाइवर्ट कर पाए. तो फॉर somebody like a woman who is not easy to divert their mind, so any suggestion for them?
Headphones.
You can't hear.
No, I said headphones. The solution is
Okay,
headphones.
okay.
So whenever you're getting some free time, use it directly with headphones. You can always say that I'm a little tired, I want to sit down and I want to relax, and maybe use your headphones and block all that noise and use the noise that is there inside your headphones. You have to figure out कि आप ये इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे ब्लॉक करोगे. मैं हर एक के सिचुएशन को मतलब आई कैन नॉट सॉल्व एनीबडी सिचुएशन, बट आई कैन टेल यू दैट यू सपोज टू डिटैच योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम इट. सो वहां से कैसे अलग होना है, वहां से वो इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे रोकनी है आने के लिए, वो आपके ऊपर है. एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट फैमिली सेटअप. लाइक आई हैव इनफ स्पेस, आई टेक माई टाइम आउट एंड आई seclude myself from the rest of the family when I need my time. But it may not be possible for everybody. Maybe the children are disturbing or whatever. But there is always more than one thing happening in the house. If such a discussion is happening at the dinner table, आप हमेशा topic change कर सकते हो किसी ना किसी तरह. So that's
Okay.
something I would like to suggest.
Let me just check if people have any questions to ask, except for some questions which we do not need to answer. uh, I remember, one of my friends, she used to crib always कि मेरा timing इतना है office का, I don't get time for my kid, but I have to go to office. Now that maybe God has given you some time to spend with your family and still you're cribbing, अब मैं office कब जाऊंगी? तो वो how to make people, understand that spend some time with your family, थोड़ा relax, थोड़ा calm down, take up a hobby, or don't let this anxiety and negativity take the hold of your
I'll tell
life.
you
They are
what.
cribbing anyways. पहले भी क्रिप
I'll tell
करते
you
थे,
what.
अभी भी क्रिप कर रहे हैं.
मैं बताती हूँ आपको इसका क्या होता है. I hope you know, I'm one person who does not ever rant or talk about anything negative on my grid. I make it a point that I'm not ranting, I'm not pulling somebody down. And the reason is कि आप जितना नेगेटिव सोचते हो वो एक बात है, लेकिन आप जितना बोलते हो ना, ऐसा होता है कि whenever you say something, you also listen to it. So your mind is recording whatever you're saying. तो अगर आप कुछ सोचते हो फिर आप वो बोलते हो, तो आप अपने ब्रेन को अश्योर करते हो कि हाँ ये जो आपकी सोच है ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ठीक है. 1 second. प्लीज लीव. प्लीज गो आउट. I can't talk if you're good. Or you come in the camera and sit. Come. No, then go out. Mom life. So,
I've locked my
हाँ.
room so that he doesn't
Oh,
come in.
I forgot to put a latch. That's my problem. I forgot to put the latch. मैंने दरवाजा बंद किया, मैंने सेट की नहीं बंद नहीं की. Okay. So, yeah. So whenever we say something, we assure our brain that whatever we are saying is correct. हमारे लाइफ का फोकस वही बन जाता है. आप एक बार कभी ट्राई करके देखो. आप पूरे दिन बोलो यार मैं इतनी इरिटेट हो गई हूँ ना यार, मैं बहुत इरिटेटेड फील कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो रही हूँ. आप ये एक्ट भी करोगे ना तो भी आपका माइंड इसको बिलीव करने लगेगा और आपका दिन बहुत ही इरिटेटिंग सत्यानाश दिन जाएगा. अगर हम इसका उल्टा
Correct.
करते हैं, अगर हम सिर्फ पॉजिटिव बातें बोलते हैं, अरे ये हो गया, चलो लेट इट बी. मैं अगर अपने बच्चे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर पाई, ये चॉइस मेरी थी. आई चोज द जॉब, नोबडी फोर्स्ड इट. Nobody forced the job on me. Nobody forced me to stay away from my child. So whether I want to maintain a job or I want to spend time with my child, either I have to find the balance or I have to lose the balance. Problem ye.
He's making you laugh.
1 second. He's throwing a ball here.
See how we are managing work with kids. I hope all the mothers out here are doing the same. We face this problem every day. Like people who, like we work from home, we face this problem every day. Going live is so difficult with the kids. I know.
Oh, the other one has also come. Please give me a minute. I have to drive them out. 1 minute.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, guys, so please put in your questions and we are here to answer. There's one question that has come up. Let me just make a note of it so that when she comes up, I can ask her. Hi, Moms Club. Hi, Priyanka. Hi, Shruti. Hi, Social Vibes. Hi, Rakesh. Hi, Karishma. Every little thing happiness. Hi. So here she is back again.
Quite a tough job.
Okay, so let me answer Shruti. Shruti has a question. Do you have anything on not munching? Yes, Shruti, you have to divert your mind. And even if you are munching, you munch on healthy options. My grid has a lot of options for this. And make sure it is not, you learn the difference between thirst and hunger. This is what I tell my clients also. You should understand if you're hungry or you're thirsty, because otherwise you will keep on adding on your weight. So first have a glass of water before you want to eat something. And nowadays craving has become like people everywhere. When you come on Instagram, there is cake. I also made a cake, but then there is cake, there is sweets, there's sira, and there's like so many people are cooking everything sugary and sweety. So what happens is when you see all that, you tend to crave a lot. So make sure if you're craving, you start having healthy options. So that will help you in your munching thing. So Prisha, there's one question that I live in a
One
very
second. I
crowded area.
One second. I wanted to address this question again. I think the lady's name is Shruti.
Yes, yes.
Shruti, you want to see the kids in front of the camera? No, they will hijack my chat and I will not be able to uh, talk about anything. I can't find your question, Shruti. I'm sorry. Uh, what was the question? How to stop munching? Okay. Uh,
Huh.
One of the things that worked for me, I mean, I've not been dieting, but for the past 7, 8 months, I've not gained a single gram. The thing is that I have set a schedule for myself. I eat breakfast between 9:30 to 10. I have lunch between 1:30 to 2. I have my evening tea and a very tiny snack with it, maybe a fruit, a banana, whatever I like. That I'm not dieting, so I just eat whatever I like, but not too much of junk. So in the evening, 4:30, 5 o'clock, I have my tea, and by 7:30, I have my dinner, and that's the end of my day. So setting a schedule has told my brain when I should be feeling hungry. So I don't keep feeling hungry all the day. In case I feel hungry, the first thing I do is drink water. 1 glass, 2 glass. And most of the times, as Forum rightly said, it's very helpful. Sometimes we're bored, sometimes we're thirsty, but we equate everything with hunger. और फिर जब उसमें खा लो तो फिर लगता है कि पेट बहुत ज्यादा भर गया है. So maintain a schedule, and that is how your brain will find it better to. Sorry, my chat is just running crazy, so I'm trying to.
There are unwanted people who
Okay,
wants to
sorry, yeah.
comment on everything.
Yeah,
So
so
because of that, the
I blocked a couple of people because it was getting too much. But yeah, sorry.
yeah,
So setting a
thanks.
schedule and drinking water when you're feeling very hungry are some of the very important tips that I would like to share. Okay, sorry. The next question, please.
Yeah, there's one female who had asked, she had DM me she could, because she did not wanted to display her name. She is saying that I live in a very crowded area. So what happened is because of this lockdown thing, the area has become so silent. So when I step out of when I go to the terrace or I go to the balcony, I can't just stand the silence that is been there because even at 12 o'clock midnight, there is so much of, the sound, the horns, people talking, so this is disturbing her. So what do you have a suggestion that will help her?
This happened with me. Initially, when the lockdown had started, it was very hurtful to see. On the day of the curfew, I had posted a lot of stories also that it's very, very upsetting to see that कि सारी streets खाली हैं. मेरे घर के बिल्कुल आगे एक main road है जहाँ पे पूरा दिन जैम रहता है और वो सड़क बिल्कुल खाली है इस वक्त. What I did, what worked for me, is that I spent more and more time outside. I saw the positives when I go outside कि हवा कितनी साफ हो गई है बहुत दूर तक दिखाई देता है. I stand with somebody, mostly my husband. I stand with him and we keep talking about the things we are seeing out there in the balcony, which are good things. वो बिल्डिंग देख रही है वो वहां पर है. वो देखो मेरे घर के आगे ट्रेन चलती है तो देखो वो तो मेट्रो ट्रेन जा रही है. It looks like a toy train. Or we talk to our neighbors from the balcony. So that is how we try to see the good things when we step out. आप बाहर जाकर क्या देखते हो वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप सिर्फ ये देखते रहोगे कि हाय कितना सुनसान है, हाय कितना गंदा लग रहा है, हाय कितना अकेला है, सो दैट्स हाउ यू गोइंग टू फील. हमारे ब्रेन को ट्रेन करना पड़ता है कि आप सारी चीजों में अपने पॉजिटिव्स देखिए.
We had done a
हमारी
video for
बेसिक
spreading
ट्यूनिंग.
positivity.
यस. सो हमारा ब्रेन जो है बेसिकली द डिजाइन इज दैट यू आर अ नेगेटिव थिंकर. आप कभी देखते हो कि जब भी आपको नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं बहुत नेचुरली आते हैं, लेकिन जब पॉजिटिव सोचना होता है तो बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. दैट इज बिकॉज ह्यूमन ब्रेन्स आर बेसिकली डिजाइन टू थिंक नेगेटिवली. But you have to fight that instinct and you have to think positively and you have to move ahead. आपको अपने दिमाग को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. आपको ये मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. ये ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं होगा. ऐसे करके कोई भी नेगेटिविटी वैनिश नहीं होगी. मेहनत लगेगी. So you will have to make that choice. Whenever I am faced with two choices, where one is negative or I'm bending that way, so I literally tell myself that these are my two choices. I don't want to focus on this, and I keep thinking only about this one. That is how I try to change my opinion.
Okay. And okay, so how do you manage anxiety and restlessness of kids? There's one female who is asking that the kids normally have garden time, play time. They go down at least twice or thrice in a day to play with their friends. So, what can we do to help kids to face this, fight this anxiety?
Okay, forum for this I will ask you one question. आप जब छोटे थे अपने नानी के यहाँ दादी के यहाँ जाते होगे कुछ दिन रहने,
Hmm.
आप वहाँ पे
Yes,
क्या
yes.
करते थे पूरा दिन?
We used to play out. We used to play with the family. बच्चे ही सारे इतने थे कि हम आपस में ही इतना खेलते थे. We used to play
हम्म
carom. We used to play cards.
हम्म
तो माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता था. बट
This is
ज्यादा
exactly what
वहां
we
भी. यस.
this is exactly what we need today. हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे भी इंसान हैं और वो भी अंदर बंद होके उनको भी बहुत पैनिक हो रहा है, लेकिन उनको हमारी तरह बताने नहीं आता है. तो उनको उनकी एंजाइटी कम करने के लिए आपको उनको थोड़ा एंगेज करना पड़ेगा. अगर उनके भाई बहन हैं तो उनको आपस में एंगेज करो, लेकिन आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि हम सबके बच्चे अभी थोड़े छोटे हैं तो आपको खुद इंटरवीन करना पड़ता है. दूसरी चीज, अगर इस समय वो टीवी ज्यादा देखते हैं, देर तक सोते हैं, तो प्लीज करने दो उनको. हम छोटे थे, हम बहुत आराम करके सोते थे, जब मन किया खाते थे, नहीं मन करता था नहीं खाते थे, कभी चोटी बनाते थे कभी नहीं बनाते थे. सो आई हैव दोज मेमोरीज कि हम छुट्टी में केयर फ्री होके रहते थे. मम्मी का कंट्रोल नहीं होता था हमारे ऊपर. अब इस समय हमारे बच्चे हमारे साथ बंद हैं, लेकिन हम भी तो अपने बच्चों के साथ बंद हैं. सो इट्स बोथ वेज. यू डोंट वांट देम 24/7, दे आल्सो डोंट वांट यू 24/7. सो
एग्जैक्टली
लेट देम बी.
एग्जैक्टली.
लेट देम बी, लेट देम हैव टाइम टू देमसेल्व्स. कुछ गंदा करें, मतलब उनको पेपर्स दे दो, कलर्स दे दो, खराब कर दो सारे, लेकिन करो जो मर्जी है वो करो. आपको उनके साथ बैठ के एक्टिविटी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप उनको एक यूट्यूब पे सॉन्ग ट्यूटोरियल चला के दे दो, आप भी डांस करो वो भी डांस करें, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा डांस करें, सीखो कुछ भी मत, लेकिन टाइम पास तो होगा. अभी मैक्सिमम चिल्ड्रन के स्कूल्स भी चालू हो गए हैं, सो दे आर डूइंग डिस्टेंस लर्निंग बाय लैपटॉप्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट शुड टेक अराउंड 4-5 hours ऑफ योर डे. उनको नहाने दो, आधा एक घंटा आराम से बैठकर नहाए, मतलब पानी बंद कर दो, बट गिव देम अ बिग बकेट, गिव देम अ टब, उसमें बोलो बैठ जाओ और मस्ती करो, जाओ. छप 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 करके उनका दिन निकल जाएगा. तो आप उनको छोड़ नहीं रहे हो, आप उनको अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हो, या फिर आप हमेशा उनके ऊपर बैठे हुए हो. ये मत करो, उनको थोड़ा टाइम छोड़ दो. और इस समय ना अपने नियम कायदे कानून उठा के साइड करो. Only niyam kaida
एग्जैक्टली.
kanun you should have is to eat proper food on time. Include lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, lots of grains in your diet right now. Avoid processed foods, breads, cheese. Avoid all that. Avoid all the namkeen biscuit. However, a lot of kids are going to ask it. इसका एक सोल्यूशन मुझे ये लगता है
एक
कि आप
एक
जितना
लिमिट
स्टॉक
में
करोगे
दे
घर में
सकते
बच्चे
हैं.
उतना मांगेंगे. ऐसा
एग्जैक्टली.
है ना, आप जितना स्टॉक करोगे बच्चे उतना मांगेंगे. आप स्टॉक कम करो कि देखो बेटा थोड़ा सा ही है तो अभी थोड़ा खा लो, थोड़ा कल खा लेना, और अगर आज खत्म हो गया तो ठीक है, कल नहीं मिलेगा, कल आपने पूरा पैकेट खा लिया था. सो दैट इज हाउ यू विल टीच देम टू कंज्यूम ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन अ लिमिट. देखो बच्चे थोड़ा बहुत तो खाएंगे, और बच्चे बार 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 खाना मांगते हैं क्योंकि वो भी बोर्ड है. सो आप उनको भी किसी एक्टिविटी में एंगेज करो, आपको थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा.
थोड़ा उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल करना कम करो. लेट देम बी द वे दे
हाँ
वांट
मतलब
इट. लाइक you
उनकी
control
उनकी
your
गर्मी की
life but
छुट्टी
don't
है.
try to control
हाँ,
your kids life because they are very small. They
no,
don't know what has to be done.
just pay 2 minutes of attention and try and remember what you did as a kid. Why was summer vacation so special? Because you went to your cousins, because you had a lot of time to play. Let them play. We used to get up early to watch cartoons क्योंकि पहले सिर्फ सुबह cartoons आते थे. So you allow them to wake up early and watch TV. It's okay. It's okay. कुछ दिनों की बात है,
Hmm.
ये खत्म हो जाए, फिर आप उनपे नियम चलाते रहना, फिर आप उनको दौड़ाना. अभी उनको छोड़ दो, उनको भी छोड़ दो,
Right,
अपने
right,
आप को भी
right.
छोड़ दो. We don't
So,
need
guys,
that
I
kind of
hope
pressure.
there's no question that we have missed, and if there are any, you can DM me or you can DM Prisha. So, Prisha, anything you want to add in?
No, I'm very happy. I hope this information has been very helpful to all of you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Um, in case you have any questions, I'm always around. You know my handle, and if you don't, please do follow me at Mamasaurus.
And follow me at
Yes,
Slim
that's
Possible
about it.
Diet.
Absolutely.
So, thank you, guys, and thank you, Prisha.
Thank you so much for having me, Forum. I really love talking about this. This is one of my favorite topics.
Yeah, I know. See you soon then. Chalo.
See you
Yeah.
soon. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.